Let me summarize some of these, pulling all this stuff together. We talked about financial modeling and why that is critical to help determine where you ought to be going with your reserve policy. Because if we do it right, we can estimate quite closely what volatility will be in your portfolio through risk budgeting, deconstructing all those components of risk, and we can actually assign pretty realistic and reliable forward-looking returns. Not next month, not next year, but over a full market cycle, and over longer periods, we can actually get pretty clear about where they're going to go. And so the portfolio can be structured to meet your strategic plan. That's where we're going. Art and science. Solve for portfolio risk and return targets based on your strategic plan. I've hammered on that quite a bit. Don't do it subjectively. That's what I'm trying to get away from, is how do you feel about risk? How you feel about risk is not material. You should be solving for what should your risk posture be within your portfolio. Set a risk budget so you know where your exposures are. Structure your portfolio diversification to that risk budget, and get your exposures as inexpensively as possible. If you do all of those things, you're going to look an awful lot like the Yale Endowment, who is world-renowned for their investment acumen and their success. So, all right.
Let me just a couple of closing comments.
Yeah.
Good. So I started out by saying, why is CLA in this business? And it's because of the needs of our clients. There's a lot of bad players in this space. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, and you've probably met some of them out in your associations. We believe that because we're an industry specialized firm and we start everything through our knowledge of industry, and then we bring service to it. We bring audit services, outsourcing services, consulting services, that when we partner from a knowledge of associations and then a knowledge, and I don't think you're going to find a lot of investment advisors and managers who have that level of understanding of the economics behind all this together, we can bring solutions to clients that others really can't. And I'm not saying that in a salesy way, it's just a fact. Our people in the investment side are salaried. Sorry about that, Mark.
Yeah.
They're not commissioned, which is unheard of in that business. And so when we work with you, we're working with you, trying to get you the best solution as part of the solutions that CLA brings through what we call the CLA Promise. So I want to thank you again. I think Nat probably has some closing remarks, so thank you for your attention on this.